Right, everybody, this is the beginner's guide to knitting. So what we'll start off by doing, you've got your needles. I've got 6mm needles. So all you do is, so that's your ball of yarn there, okay? So you're going to do that, and then you're going to put that small piece over there. So you're making a circle like that, all right? So then what you need to do is, you're going to pull, let's put it that way for you. So you're going to make a circle like that. So then what you're going to do is you're going to get your fingers there and just pull that through and then pull it up. So you're going to make a loop then, so just pull it like that, not too tight. There you are. So you've got your first, that's called a slip knot, but that's going to be your first stitch. So slide that onto there, onto your left hand needle, like that. And then what we're going to do is you get your right hand needle, put it through the bottom there, from front to back, and then you're going to get that piece of working yarn. That's your working, that's always, the small one is always the tail end. You'll always be working with the main one from the ball of yarn. So then you're going to wrap it round. This is going to be our cast on stitches now. So wrap it round, and then what you do is you're going to pull it through that needle there, through there like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to twist it onto the left hand needle, and then just pull that, just making sure they're all about the same tension. So again, push it through, wrap your yarn, so get your yarn, wrap it round, pull it through like that, can you see? And then just twist, get that left needle, slide it through. So let's do it again, front to back, wrap it round. This right hand needle, you're pulling it through that there, can you see? Through there, wrap there. That's how you do it. You need to do as many as what the pattern says, so if it says do 10, that's what you need to be doing. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to knit these stitches that we've just cast on. So slide in your needle. So you've got your stitches on your left here, your right hand needle. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the point of the right hand needle through from front to back into the first cast on stitch, which is on the left hand needle. So with the working yarn in your right hand needle, your right hand, wrap it around the right hand needle anti-clockwise. So the yarn's going in between the two needles. So then what you need to do is pull the yarn over across to the front. So across to the front like that, and then slide that off. Okay, so do it again, front to back, wrap it round, pull it up through. That one there just slides off. So again, wrap it round, through there, slide that stitch off. So through, wrap it round, pull that up through there, sliding that stitch off. One more, couple more, round, pull it up through, slide that one off. So through there, anti-clockwise, round, that off. Last one, round, pull it through, slide that one off. That is now your knit stitches. So you've got some knitting there. So then let's just do another knit row. So then in your left hand, your right hand needle is empty, so it goes through, round, pull it over, push that stitch off. So through there, wrap it round, pull that through, slide that stitch off. Just keep doing that, it's so easy. Practice, just keep practicing, up and over, it comes off. So wrap, round, pull it through, wrap, round. So that now we've done is knitting. So now we are going to do a purl. So again, in your left hand is your stitches, and here in your right hand needle we haven't got anything. So what you do is when you go to purl, so what you need to do is you need to put the right hand needle, and the yarn, this working yarn, needs to be at the front. So we put a right hand needle through there, okay, All you're going to do is, again, wrap it round anti-clockwise, pull that through and pull that off. So purl, so it's going from, there we go, from front to back. So you turn, then you're going to put that around there, through there, slide that one off, through there, wrap it round, pull that and pull that stitch off. So again, front to back, wrap it round anti-clockwise, pull that off, and then that stitch comes off. So wrap it round, push that through there, and then pull that one off. So front to back, anti-clockwise, pull that through there, slide that one off. Last one, so round, round, slide it off. Okay, what we'll do another purl row. So stitches again into your left hand. Okay, right hand there's nothing in, yarn at the front. So we're going to do front to back, wrap it round, pull it, there we go, through there, can you see, through, wrap it round, off there. Just keep doing this, just keep practicing, it's so easy. Knitting is not difficult, just keep practicing. So it's front to back, wrap it round that way, front to back. You'll always remember because your right hand needle's on top of your left hand needle when you're purling. So wrap it round, pull it off, through, wrap it round, pull it off. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to cast off. So what you need to do is knit the first 2 stitches. So let's knit the first 2 stitches. Wrap it round, that's 1, 2. Alright, so you've got 2 now. So then what you need to do is insert this left needle into the first stitch that you've just done. There we are. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull it over. You're going to pull it over that stitch, so you've still got that first stitch there. Okay, so that's your first cast off. So knit another stitch. You'll always have 2 stitches on this right hand needle. So then just get that second stitch through there and then pull it over that stitch. So again, make sure you've got 2 stitches on. So you're going to pull that one. I'm trying to show you, so over that one. There we go. So round, that one's coming over this stitch here. Pull it over, off. Wrap it round, over, pull it over, pull it off. Again, wrap it round, pull it over, pull it off. So now you've got 1 stitch left. So what you need to do now is you're going to just pull that up a bit like that, slide that off the needle, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cut that off. Now this depends, if you've got to sew something up like a snood and you've got a seam, always allow enough yarn to be able to sew it up. Alright, so just to say, this is for an example, so we'll cut it there, so cut it off there, and then all you're going to do is you're going to put that through there, put it through there like that, and then just pull it, and just pull it tight like that. There we go. So that now is, can you see the cast off? That's where you've cast on, and that's your cast off. So you can tell that your bumps is your purls, and your knits are the neat ones in between there. You can see in between there. So that's hopefully what you need to do is just keep practicing.